Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Indian Scout Bobber. In an impressive triumph, the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber has been crowned the best cruiser motorcycle of the year. Known for its striking design, powerful performance, and modern features, the Scout Bobber continues to captivate motorcycle enthusiasts and set the benchmark for cruisers in the market. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is powered by a formidable 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering 100 horsepower and 72 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse engine provides a thrilling and responsive ride, whether cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets. The Scout Bobber's low-slung profile and agile handling make it a joy to ride, combining the best of power and control. Design-wise, the Scout Bobber is a masterpiece that blends vintage aesthetics with a contemporary edge. Its minimalist, stripped-down look features a blacked-out engine, frame, and exhaust, exuding an aggressive and rebellious charm. The bike's solo saddle, chopped fenders, and low stance give it a distinctive silhouette that stands out on the road. While the Scout Bobber's design pays homage to classic bobbers of the past, it is equipped with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The motorcycle features a sleek, integrated digital display that provides essential information such as speed, gear position, and fuel level. Advanced rider aids, including ABS and traction control, ensure safety without compromising the bike's raw appeal. Comfort and ergonomics are key elements of the Scout Bobber's design. The bike features a low seat height and mid-mounted foot controls, offering a relaxed yet commanding riding position. This setup, combined with the bike's well-balanced chassis, ensures that riders can enjoy long journeys with minimal fatigue. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber is a true embodiment of our commitment to blending classic design with modern performance, said a spokesperson for Indian Motorcycle. This model captures the spirit of freedom and individuality, offering riders an unparalleled experience on every ride. As the Indian Scout Bobber hits dealerships, it has already garnered widespread acclaim from both industry experts and riders. Its combination of robust performance, bold design, and cutting-edge technology makes it the definitive choice for those seeking the ultimate cruiser motorcycle. The 2025 Scout Bobber's success is a testament to Indian Motorcycle's dedication to innovation and quality. For those looking to make a statement on the road, the Indian Scout Bobber offers an unmatched blend of style, power, and sophistication, securing its place as the best cruiser motorcycle of 2025.